Well, we got the engine outside. It's a nice enough day. We're going to attempt to clean it up a little bit. It's got a lot of grease all up in here, and we're just going to go ahead and shoot it down with some cleaner. And we're going to go ahead and clean this old oil pan up too while we're at it. Just to basically, just for storage, you don't want it nasty when you're storing it. So we're going to clean it up also. All right, well, I got everything set up like I want it. I just need to go turn my water on. I tell you what, this sprayer sucks on this oven cleaner. That's all of it. Dang sure got to do it outside. Ugh, what a smell. Whew, Lordy. That's rough right there, you know it? That is rough. Yeah, just hold it. I look around and all I see is your happiness embracing me. Lord, I belong. Oh, but the grace of God. Well, let's see what it does now. You can see it eating away at all that junk in there that's so hard to get to with a scrub brush, and it's just eating it away. On this side, you can see it eating on it a little bit. We're going to continue to let it eat, and we'll keep going here in a minute. Now, we sprayed all this down just to see what it's going to look like, and I sprayed some on the motor right here. And we're going to crank it up here in a minute. We're going to give it about 10 more minutes. Let it sit on there about 10 more minutes. Maybe we'll go get a little brush and brush those bad areas. It's so bright out here, I can't even see if I'm filming or not. Crank it up. Now we're going to have to go back and hit the spots that we missed. All right, let's give her the last rinse, maybe. So I'm gonna clean this up a little bit with a little brush. Just any spot that I might have missed with the other cleaning that I did. We're gonna start taping this thing off and get it ready for paint. Let's go ahead and dry it off a good bit right here. I was just wanting to take a look at it. We're definitely going to have some primer. So I'm going to go ahead and start taping this up. My hand's cleaned up. First thing I'm going to do is go right across here. We're going to take this. This is like a roller now. We're going to take it. We're going to roll it just like this right here. Whether it messes up anything or not, but it'll peel right off of there. And if you want to, you can go back over it and you can make it neater. Like right here in this area, you can do this here. It'll peel right off. Get all up in these little crevices. Now this is going to get painted black right here, because you might be able to see that. And this here you might be able to see. We don't know yet. We know you can't see this because this is inside the engine. But we want it to be to where we can get every bit that you can see covered up. Now I also have to clean all of this so that my tape will stick to it. We do not want to get tape all over this. And the reason that I'm only cleaning this now and I'm not really cleaning this is because we're going to have to go back and get all the tape adhesive off anyway. So all that is good and clean now. It just needs to dry up. And let's see, we're going to cover this up right here all the way to here, because this is where the water pump mounts. All right, so let's go ahead and get this on there. Now that I got this on there, we'll put this here, and we will we don't have to put all these bolts in there. Okay, man, that looks good right there. Well, we got the first coat on there, and we're gonna let that dry, and we'll come back, put another coat of primer on it, and then we'll be ready to spray our main color. And just to let you know, I have a couple of these holes plugged off, but I'm gonna go back and clean all those holes out. We'll make this thing look a whole lot better. But it's getting some paint now. That's what we're after. Start making it look good. Well, I got my tack coat of black on, so just a little bit of black on there, just to kind of tack it up a little bit. And we'll come back in about another 10 minutes and we'll tack it up again. This is for the fourth video. We got it cleaned up. Got a new paint job on the outside of it, all the places that matter anyway. And it's just looking good. We're about ready to start building on this thing. And the next series, or the next video, is going to be us building it. So we're actually going to be putting the bearings in, the cam bearings, all that stuff in the next video. So y'all stay tuned. This is just my progress. I'm just recording it for whoever wants to watch it. Thank you for watching.